Well, hello, and welcome to Dubrovnik, Croatia. Come on in. I hope you enjoyed that amazing intro. I was trying to do it like Architectural Digest. I am so excited to show you around our amazing Airbnb here in Dubrovnik, and I'll leave the link as always in the description below so you can book this Airbnb as well. So I'm going to take you around, show you a little bit about it. It's quirks, it's interesting wall color as you can tell behind me, but the most important thing, and we should probably start there, is the view, and that is why we booked it. So come on out, let's check it out. Look at this. Now we've been here for 2 weeks. I got some amazing footage of the sunset. Sometimes it looked like an 80s like album cover. Sometimes it was just golden. Sometimes there's no sunset at all. You know, surprises every day, every night. Let's go back inside though. So they have this really nice dining area, seats 4. So I don't know why you'd have 4 people here. I guess a few could sleep on the couch, but there's only 1 bedroom and 1 bed.
Or if you have a kid, I guess.
Oh, that's true too. Picture to, you know, warm you up. To show you what Croatians look like. They all look exactly like this. Everybody we've seen has been wearing a striped shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Not really.
Definitely.
False. Here's an interesting piece. These like still life fruit pieces that have been hung up around this area. Interesting choice, as well as the orange. Very bright, you know, gives you that tropical feel. At first you're like, wow, that's intense, but you know, makes you feel bright inside after a while. Anyway, this is the living room. We have enjoyed many a Game of Thrones episodes on this television, on this couch, which is very comfortable. I've been working on this couch, if you can't tell by my computer. It's right here. I've been editing the Madrid vlog, and I'll leave the link to that Madrid vlog in the description below, as well as all of our Croatia vlogs. I don't know if this is going to come out before or after those vlogs, but we did a Game of Thrones tour. Epic. Have to go. And I'll also leave a link to the tour we did because our guide was like amazing. He was actually in the Game of Thrones. Over here is the desk area if you want to work. Lucas, as you can see, has been working here a little bit. We also have another place to see what Croatians look like, which is right here. I haven't seen anyone dressed like that yet, but if I do, I'll let you know. We've got treasure boxes for hidden treasures, if that's what you're into when you're here.
You gonna reveal what's in there?
Yeah, nothing. Oh gosh, nothing at all. Also, wait, I forgot about this. Like, question mark? Does it work? We haven't used it yet. Completely dead. So, I don't know if it like, what it is for. Nothing too special in here. A little nautical theme, you know, blanket. But what's really cool, besides being able to check your cool outfit in this mirror every day, which I love, they have art pieces in here of the view from the balcony. Like, these are the rocks and the sunset that you see from the balcony, which I absolutely love. Now, talk about nostalgia. Very 80s vibes. It's probably loud in here because it's one of those where you turn the light on and the fan goes on. But it's been functional. The water pressure's been very good. The tile color on the walls has been a vibe. Back out here. And the last area of this place is the kitchen, which actually has been relatively functional. Sometimes we go to Airbnbs and their kitchens are like not functional. This one is quite small, but top of the stove worked. She had pots and pans to be able to cook from here if you want. There are several restaurants close by that are really good. There's a pizza place that's amazing, and also this vegan restaurant, which we went to for brunch, is also really amazing. And I'll leave the link to those places in the description below. Go to them. They're so close you can walk. They also have a dishwasher. Rare in Europe. Large fridge, which we are always so grateful for, because a lot of times in Europe, you'll just have a fridge that's underneath like the countertop, and that's your fridge. Now, that is it for the inside of the apartment. It's small, but it's not. It's open. I love that you can see all across the windows to the view 24/7 and have the doors open for like the breeze and the fresh air. Last but certainly not least, I want to take you up to show you where you park, because I think that's a treat in itself where you park. But before I do that, if you're watching this and you enjoy Airbnb tours, if you enjoy travel tips, if you enjoy vegan food, this is the channel for you. So make sure to go down and subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with some really amazing videos, some really epic travel videos. We're going on this like 3-month road trip through Italy soon. You got to subscribe for those videos. They're going to be so cool. Down there's another Airbnb. That's the sea. And then you can see our balcony right there. Oh, gloriousness, obviously. We're going to go up 1 flight of stairs and that's where you park. All right, so this is our car that we rented from Avis. But you park right here, like literally on the cliff. It's like, you think you're gonna drive off the cliff, but you park and get to see this view. I mean, the view from up here is even amazing. It's incredible. It's so amazing. This Airbnb has been like life-changing, I swear. I told Lucas, I said, when I leave a review for this Airbnb, I'm just gonna put life-changing. Because, or no, it was soul healing.
That's the one.
Seeing this view every single day, going out there for all of our meals, even parking the car, has been an incredible experience. It's like a 9-minute drive to the old town, but you see this view every day. Anyway, I'll see you guys next Sunday for another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.
So Lucas has found a new addiction here in Dubrovnik. What is it?
This is like their Pellegrino version. I think it's called Jamnica. And
Who knows how it's pronounced, but
it just has a really nice taste to it. And I have already loved, soda water. So I am in